Hey guys, welcome back. The Toyota Supra. It's a car I've always wanted to own. So we're trying out the DWG car this time. I don't think this has been released as part of the 3.0 pack because there's not a lot of details on there. So it does have 425 wheel horsepower, 593 newton meters, which I'm assuming is from a 2J. There's nothing about the suspension, but it does weigh 1,510 kilos. So with that, let's jump in. Alright, we're initially going around Higashi first. It chose the target top version this time, so it looks a bit different, having a view of the sky. Pay attention to what I'm doing, smoothing around. It does have a NADI steering wheel, so it's nice to see a NADI again instead of the default from the 180 last time. The interior looks pretty good. Like all the basic stuff, working gauges. It's got a clock. It's not the right time. Actually, I don't know how it pulls time for the internal clocks of the cars. It does move the shifter as well. This is my favourite part of the track, if I can get it right. This car does have a quirk though, straight on the straight. So there's no boot around the gear stick. You can actually see straight through it. If I head over into the grass, you can see you just go straight to the floor. So third gear to the straight. Try and hold it. Just trying to listen to that blow off valve sound. Not too much speed, gonna go on the grass. It does sound pretty good on the internal of the car. Through it. Probably should have tried to put power down earlier to drive through the car. Drive through the corner, I should say. I do like Higashi, but I do find it's probably the most difficult of the Ibisu tracks. So yeah, this part here is my favourite. If I can get it right. Build up too much speed for the bottom section, just hump that up the hill. It's flat third. Woohoo! Don't mind the blow valve of this one, it's got like the chasers where it sounded like a bird. Just hump that here and here. Get it out wide. Better back. So I'm mainly using third gear and it does feel like it has good power. Sliding off the edge. I want to see what the power curve is, so I can keep it in third low. Feels pretty good. Oh, it's super laggy. Definitely don't notice it in this car pulling out power during a drift, like I've noticed with other cars, so didn't mess that one up completely. There we go, so you can see through the gear stick now. Not through the gear stick, through where the boot should be. These have been quite messy laps in this car around Higashi. I might try one more, just try and do a bit of a clean lap before I change over to the default. Let's down the bottom, we use third. Try and extend that drift with third. Try and drive it through in third. To here, need to get it out. Slow down the speed, a bit of throttle. Try and drive it out wide. Look for the grass. So even there in third gear, definitely dropped down in the revs, but just had the torque to keep it going. Clutch kick there. Too soon. Maybe second down the bottom here. Nope. Third. Yeah, so we're going to change over to the default drift track and have a go with that one. Alright, so on the default drift track, just to see how it handles. So try and use third gear through the S's here. Slid out a bit far. Definitely has got the torque, because I can just hold third and let the revs drop. So yeah, not a lot of throttle, just holding third. Flip back. Yeah, I was trying to use as little throttle as possible there, but it fell out of the drift. So handbrake. None of these cars show they have a hydro, but I don't think factory handbrakes lock that well. So this is where we'll see if I can hold the power curve. No, I won't, because I spin before I get there. Wait a second. Can we hold it around the loop? Donut, sorry, not loop. That's not too bad. Just hitting limiter. Third for coming onto the straight. Sure, I'm gonna go to tyres if I kept going. Just hold third. Try and bring it in a bit because I don't want to go on the grass. Can we continue this whole drift the whole way? Yeah, not bad. Alright, we'll straighten up and get to speed. Kind of forgot what I was doing. Didn't really work. Third. So it's a nice handling car. I'm not struggling with the transitions. I don't know if it's a longer wheelbase. Well, it is a longer wheelbase, I think, than the best chassis. So third gear. Trying to throw. Well, I didn't mean to throw the back in. It's just how it ended up. Alright, let's try this donut again. I think I just went over the top of it. Then I was about to use the handbrake, but then kind of hit boost. Yeah, it has nice transitions. I guess it's more probably my wheel can keep up with it. So third gear. I don't know if we'll be able to hold one drift here. Don't want to slide too far out. Ah, couldn't keep it going. So second into third. So we go third into the S's again. Yeah, the Supra's nice to drive. It's got a nice power curve that you can let the revs drop. Still be able to continue the drift. You get it out to the wall. Don't know how close that was. Let's go on the outside. Yeah, so like there it dropped down and I didn't have to clutch kick it, I could just save it with throttle. I did get a second there, but thought I might have needed to save it. Just enjoying this car, so yeah, good throttle response, nice on transitions. Oh, definitely hit the wall that time. I do find this corner a bit tricky, it does tighten up, so trying to get the car in the right spot. That wasn't set up very good for this corner last time, so. On the grass. Yeah, good torque characteristics of this engine. I was going to try the outside the other way again in third and call it, but Supra's good. I like it. Be good to see him release a proper version for 3.0. Third gear. I can't go further. I'd like to get better at going backies, see if I can make them stick, but not too soon. But yeah, I like the Supra. I do like the Targa top. Just something different. Probably doesn't make a difference so much when you're just driving in normal view, but in VR, being able to see out the top. Yeah, the models are pretty good. Model for the use for the car, and I like the handling of this. I really do. It's nice on transitions, and assuming it is a 2J, the power of it's just nice to, you know, rely on and just put your foot down when you need to. With that, thanks for watching, guys.